All right, we're here at 3720 East Barcelona Ave in Idaho Falls. We have a 3-bed, 2-bath home, and we'll take a quick little look at it today. Here's our entryway. Come in here. Nice little area to take off your shoes or hang up coats, all of that. This entrance splits. We have our kitchen dining room area here. Nice, beautiful kitchen. Dark cabinets. Great space. Little prep area over here as well. And then a little pantry back here in the corner. Lots of space over here on the kitchen island. And this is the family kind of area, living area over here. Beautiful. Over here, off to our right, we have the laundry room, or mud room, or transition room from the garage into the kitchen area with our laundry units here, and this into the garage here. Nice space. It is a nice sized garage here. We have a little ramp right here right now for a pretty narrow ramp for dogs, I think, or other small animals. Head back through here and catch a little glimpse of the gazebo out back there. We'll head back there in a minute. We'll head back, take a look at the bedrooms and the bathrooms back here. But first, we got this little, maybe like a little storage closet here for vacuums and such. Smaller closet, but here's our first bedroom, currently set up as a home office. Great space. Our second bedroom right here, currently being used for storage, so we'll just poke our head in there. And then we have the first bathroom right here. And the primary suite here, the primary bedroom. Here's the closet here to our left. Nice space in here. Head into the primary bathroom here. Nice big bathroom, glass shower door. Up in through here, so try to get a decent view of this space as best as we can. And coming back out into the primary bedroom here. We'll head downstairs to the unfinished basement right now. Tons of potential here for adding extra bedrooms or more family room. However you can kind of see, you got a blank canvas. This basement's done really well. Have some storage down here right now, but there's definitely a lot of potential and different things you could do with this space here. It's already got some framing in the basement, so this heads back this way towards this window. It already has egress windows and everything installed as far as that. Storage area here under the stairs. Kind of head around through this as hopefully we can see kind of how this is laid out a little bit. It'd be like a utility room there. This section of the basement is set up kind of like a home gym right now. We'll take a look at it from this back corner. Have a little bit more storage back here as well. Here's from the back end of that. And yeah, we will cut to the outside here. All right, we're to the backyard here now. You can see just over the back of this fence, through this gate, you've got the park here. But what I really wanted to emphasize over here in this space was this gazebo right here. Really, just really beautiful. Could make for some great evenings. Very nice space. Great.